Glenn Beck loves children. He wants us old folks to give up our lives to save children. He does. He really does. He really does. Glenn Beck wants us all, over 50, to give up our lives to save the children.
I want to have a frank conversation with you and ask you where you stand. I'm in the danger zone. I'm right at the edge. I'm 56. In Italy, they're saying if you're sick and you're 60, don't even come in. So I'm in the danger zone. I would rather have my children stay home and all of us who are over 50 go in and keep this economy going and working. Even if we all get sick, I'd rather die than kill the country, because it's not.
He's so rambling on. Okay, well, anyway, that's Chalkboard Glenn for today. I was on, let's go back to some business here in ufology. Richard Dolan had a great program on the coronavirus and also an AMA. I encourage you to look at his YouTube channel. I'll put a link down there. It was really good and very informative. And I thought I'd throw in a photograph here of how, I keep saying that, NASA keeps putting the really interesting anomalies, in the background of the photograph, where all you see up front are rocks, and the money shot is in the background, either at the far corners or way in the background. And this photo is an example of that. You'll notice that at the top of the photo to the far right looks very interesting, like there is some sort of a temple at the base of a pyramid. There are other structures there, interesting. And I'll have the full photograph, and you'll see how, come on, guys, let's see the whole pyramid and the other things. Oh, no, they don't want that. They put that way in the background, and it's the whole thing again of where, they're covering themselves so that when another space agency goes up there and starts photographing all these things, NASA can just come back and say, well, it's not our fault that you didn't zoom in on our photographs. But anyway, it's real good, and you'll find it very interesting. And like I said, look at the top of the photograph at the right. You're going to see a lot of real interesting. I kind of think that the object down in front of the base of a possible pyramid is a possible temple. And the Gigapan man is back with his Gigapans. He put one up, and I think it's the same area, but it looks like there's been a lot of washing out. I don't have that photo up here, as I just want to confirm if it's the same area. But you'll see very definitely that there is some sort of a structure, in my humble opinion, there. And so with that, we will see you in the next clip.